Hey, Wellness Feed family! Today we're talking about a simple yet magical drink, Clove and Cinnamon Tea. It's not just tasty, but also packed with health benefits. Stay tuned to learn how this tea can boost your health and see what science has to say about it. You won't want to miss this. Welcome back to Wellness Feed, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we're going to talk about a powerful duo in the world of herbal teas, Clove and Cinnamon. Imagine starting your day with a cup of warm, fragrant tea that not only tastes great, but also fills your body with powerful antioxidants and healing properties. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. Health benefits. Benefit 1. Immune system booster. First up, Clove and Cinnamon Tea is a fantastic immune system booster. Both cloves and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals in the body. This means a cup of this tea can help keep colds and flu at bay, especially during the chilly months. Benefit 2. Anti-inflammatory properties struggling with inflammation. Clove and cinnamon tea to the rescue. These spices contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce swelling and pain, making it a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Benefit 3. Digestive aid. Got tummy troubles? This magical brew can help. Cloves are known for their ability to soothe the digestive tract and reduce gas and bloating, while cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Together, they make a perfect team for your digestive health. Benefit 4. Heart health. Let's not forget heart health. Cinnamon in particular has been shown to lower bad cholesterol and blood pressure, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Clove, on the other hand, contains compounds that improve blood circulation. Drinking this tea regularly can contribute to a healthier heart. Scientific Studies Study 1. Antioxidant Powerhouse. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted the incredible antioxidant properties of cloves and cinnamon. The researchers found that these spices are among the top sources of antioxidants, which can protect your cells from damage and slow down the aging process. Study 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. In a 2018 study, researchers found that the eugenol in cloves and cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon have significant anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds were shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body, making them effective in managing chronic inflammatory diseases. Study 3. Blood sugar regulation. A study in diabetes care found that cinnamon can lower fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This is due to cinnamon's ability to mimic insulin and improve glucose uptake by the cells, making it a great natural supplement for managing diabetes. Imagine a world where a simple cup of tea can transform your health. That's the magic of clove and cinnamon tea. This enchanting brew is more than just a drink. It's a potion packed with healing properties. With every sip, you're not just tasting delicious flavors, but also fortifying your body with nature's most potent ingredients. It's like drinking a cup of wellness. So, are you ready to experience the magic for yourself? Give Clove and Cinnamon Tea a try and let us know in the comments how it transforms your daily routine. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest wellness tips and secrets. There you have it, folks. The magical benefits of Clove and Cinnamon Tea, backed by science and ready to boost your health. Whether you're looking to improve your immune system, fight inflammation, aid digestion, or protect your heart, this powerful duo has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay magical.